Hi, in this video we're going to be looking at some of the new features in Japanese My Way version 2. Um, the features are mostly in the playing of Flash games, so we're going to go straight to there in the quick play option. So what we've done is added 4 new game types, which are at the bottom here. One is called Kanji Builder and one is called Word Builder, and they work on the same principle. So let's play Build Kanji from Meaning. What this allows us to do is, for a given word or kanji, it allows us to actually build the kanji up from the component parts of that kanji. So as we progress through learning kanji, a lot of the more complicated kanji are actually made up of simpler kanji or radicals, which themselves have meanings. So learning the component parts of the kanji can actually be a quicker way to learn to write the entire kanji. So based on that principle, what we've done here is given you 2 boxes, as there's two parts to the kanji to write. So what you have to do is pick the correct part and you drag and drop it to where you think it should go. If you're not sure which one it is, the hint system here can give you a clue, and you can press the hint button and it will tell us that the kanji that we're looking for here is made up of the components of brush and day. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to say, okay, I think this is brush, and day we mostly all know as this here. And then the second part of the verb to write is kaku. So we pick the hiragana ku and put it in place, and voila, we get our correct answer. This could be used on both words and individual kanji. This game actually tends to work better for the individual kanji, but it can be used on both. So again, we have yomu. Not quite sure. I know the first part is this, but I'm not quite sure what the second part is. So I press the hint button again. It tells me it's the verb to sell. The component to sell. The program itself actually tries to find kanji that look very similar to the one you require to make it more difficult. But as you can see, I've got a pretty good idea. It's this one. So I'm going to place this here, and the verb is yomu. So I take the mu, and there we have yomu. Similar to this idea, but slightly at a slightly higher level, we have build word from meaning, or from kana. What that allows us to do is to place the entire kanji or kana component. So to write, again, we find, I think to write is this kanji, and then again ku, kaku, yes. We could get it wrong. It'll give us 3 attempts as per the other games, and then it will give us the correct answer. And to speak, if we click it again, this is the kanji for tail, so I'm going to say, okay, I think that's this one. That's hana, su. So given this data, we've also enhanced the hint system in the writing game as well. So if we go to the regular write kanji from kana, what we can see here is that we're going to write the verb kaku, and as you know, we can kind of draw the kanji on the screen here. The hint system previously, when you press the hint button, would give you just the outline of the kanji, and then you press it again, it would give you the stroke animation. Now that can be a little too much information. Sometimes you may be able to figure out what the kanji is just by clicking, first of all, it telling you what the definition of the kanji is. In this case, this is the kanji for write, for the first part of this word. If you're not sure, you can click it again and it will give you the components brush and day. Click it again, it will give you the outline as before, and again will give you the stroke animation. And at any time you can clear these back out. So again, we build in now, instead of a 2-level hint system, we're building a 4-level hint system to try and help you remember the component parts of the kanji, to hopefully make it easier to remember some of the more complicated kanji out there. And we hope you like it.